This video demonstrates Halloween-inspired sushi to decorate your party table. This recipe utilizes some techniques for the rolled sushi and temari sushi from the earlier tutorials. Please check them out for the easy catch-up. Make a bite-sized sushi rice ball. Slice pieces of salmon and cover the rice ball with them. Wrap up with a piece of plastic wrap. Twist the end of the film to tighten up at the bottom of the rice ball. Make the same size of just the rice likewise. Spread the rice onto a piece of seaweed sheet. Roll it up with a bamboo mat, pulling the half top of the rolled sushi little closer to you. Cut in 3 even pieces. Combine 3 of them all together and close them with another piece of seaweed sheet. Put some rice grain at the end of the sheet so it works as a glue. Cut out eyes and mouth from the seaweed. Boil sugar and maple syrup in a pot. When it becomes dark gold, cool down the pot immediately to stop being overcooked. Shake it with a fork. Decorate on a plate as you desire.